Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you about error that happened to me with iOS 14. So when I tried to use in some app camera, and it also showed to me that I haven't access for doing this in this app. So for fixing this error you just need to open the settings, and in the settings you need to choose app you have also this error, so for example Gmail, and here you can also check all things you allow to Gmail. So here you can see that also Gmail have access for photos, so you can also add some photos from your gallery when you try to send to someone this. And also you can just click photos, and here you can see that it also has access for photos. And if you want to see what apps have access for your camera, you just need to open the camera, and sorry, not from this, but also for example maps. You can just clicking on different apps and find here what apps you allow to use in this app, what options you allow to use in this app. So here you can see that maps also allow to use location, so it's we need to allow it because maps need to know where we are when we want to get somewhere. So this is the way how we can fix this error. So just find here your app, open it, and just allow. So how you can enable or disable. So for example Safari. So just here you can see that just turn off, and you will disable this option for Safari. So this is the way how you can enable or disable some features in different apps. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.